We're back.
We are back, and that was a wonderful conversation we just had with the NCFC.
Yes.
But now we're moving on into our second conversation for this morning, and via Zoom, we have with us Francisco Magana, who is Head of Retail Operations, Marketing, and Business Developing at the National Bank of Belize. And we have Carisa Carrillo, who is the Marketing Manager at the National Bank of Belize. Good morning, good morning. Thank you for being here with us.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you for having us on your show, and Happy New Year's.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
You're right. It is 2022.
It is.
It is.
That's right. And of course, moving forward into the new year, everybody is getting on board with latest technology. And guess what? Now we're doing our banking with our mobiles as well. There's a lot happening with National Bank. We were talking a bit about you completing 9 years this upcoming year. Let's talk about some of the services that you offer, where you're located, to start us off.
Right. We will be 9 years old this coming September.
Mm-hmm.
In 2013, we opened our first office here in Belmopan, actually. And at the time, our promotion was the 5.5% on residential loans.
Mm-hmm.
And that actually triggered all the banks to reduce their interest rates on all loans. Thereafter, we opened a second branch in Belize City. We are located in Regent Street.
Mm-hmm.
Then in 2018, we decided it was time for us to now open other offices elsewhere in Belize because we were getting the support. People were requesting us services near where they live. So we decided to open what we call a customer service center in Orijua. We decided to move from the traditional branch, the branch model being having tellers, customer service, a whole lot of people in an office. In fact, our customer service center is manned by one officer. However, people can avail of our full services. How this works is that an individual enters the office and connects remotely via kiosk to somebody from here in Belmopan. So the customer can open an account, have a loan interview, ask questions, meet with the supervisor. Any service they would like, they can get remotely from here in Belmopan. What that creates is we can use our staff efficiently.
Yeah.
And it is just using technology to our advantage. And we had such good support that 6 months after we opened another office in San Ignacio. Now we have 2 branches and 2 offices, and this coming year we'll be opening in other areas of Belize. Today we wanted to talk about.
That's interesting, though. Can I just find out a bit more? So basically, it's like it's a teleconference type of service. So I go into this kiosk and I'm talking to someone in Belmopan, and I can get everything done right there.
Right. You can get everything done right there. We have our ATM to conduct cash transactions. In fact, we wanted to go fully digital, virtual. However, there is one item still pending to tweak in our legislation as Belize. No, we cannot accept virtual signatures as yet. Other than that, we could have been doing everything online. But we started with this customer service center, and we have been getting very good support. People like the interaction, know that they are interacting directly with our main office, which a lot of people believe that they will get faster service, although we provide the same service at any of our offices, but they get
that is always the case. No, really, really cool initiative. And you also are doing something else, I think, that is a sign that you are thinking about your customers. You have night hours or after hours, on demand service. Tell us a bit about that.
Again, thinking about our customers.
Yeah.
In fact, National Bank opened with one of its main objectives to provide services to the low and middle income earners, the working class. So with that in mind, and using technology, now we can offer services after normal business hours, which we are calling the NBB on demand. That is after 3 p.m. You can have your loan interview from the comfort of your home, from your office, or it goes right now. We go up to 7 p.m. at night. Later on, we might extend it depending on the curfew hours. But we are getting very, very good feedback for this, especially with the working class. They don't have to ask for time off. They don't have to ask for a day off. They do their virtual interviews. We accept their documents by email. Of course, at one point they would have to come into the bank to sign when
Yes.
the process is complete, but it minimizes the time they are here at the bank.
So at 5 p.m. after work, I can just go on NBB on demand and open an account.
What is happening right now, it is we are using it for loan interviews only. Later on, we will be providing other services. And how this works is you call one of our branches or offices and set an appointment. The appointments go from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. And we then contact you, and similarly to what we're doing right now, we will give you an interview virtually.
All
That is
right. That
awesome.
is, and you said people have responded well to that, I'm sure.
Actually, a lot of people would prefer that
Yeah.
than
Yes.
regular walk-in to the bank.
It's like
Yeah.
we were saying, you don't have to take time off from work to
Right.
go and deal with the bank, right? You can just wait until you're done after 5. Make sure you schedule your appointment and get online and have an interview with NBB. But
Right.
I wanna talk a little bit about one of the reasons why you are here on the show this morning, and it is to discuss your digital payment app. Tell us a little bit about that.
Right. Again, like I said, our objective for opening was to provide services to the low and middle income earners. And we were going to use technology to provide this to the entire Belizean public. And a few years ago, we started thinking, what can we do? What else can we do? We started doing some research, found out that the population of Belize, 52% of the population of Belize is either on bank, under bank, meaning they don't have a bank account, or they might have a bank account but are unable to use it because of their location, for example. So we decided to go with the electronic wallet because with this we could reach the masses. It would be easy for these people to get into the financial sector. Similarly, it would assist micro and small businesses. They have been having difficulty getting into the financial sector because of the requirements to get a bank account. However, with the new service we provide, we do so, we can enlist them um, with simplified due diligence, meaning they provide minimum documentation so they can sign up for the service. That is for the micro and small businesses. For the user, it's even more simple. You just need your social security card. Ms. Carisa will be talking more about the NBB Pay.
Yeah. All right, Carissa, tell us
Tell us.
just how easy this is. First of all, do I have to have a bank account with National Bank?
No, you don't. No, you don't. You could either be our customer or, just decide that you want to try our app and start shopping with it. So what you need to do is go to your app store, download the app, and then if you are a customer, you're gonna sign up with a code. So you're gonna contact us, we're gonna send you your code, and you're gonna insert that, sign up.
Okay.
If you're not a customer though, you're gonna sign up with your ID. So
Yeah.
once you do that, you're gonna need your social security, you're gonna enter all your information, you're gonna take a selfie, scan your ID as well so that we can get a copy of that so that we can have your documentation in.
Okay. So that's the start. We
Right.
sign up, we download the app, it's called NBB Pay, and then we sign up to start using it. Now, the question everyone keeps asking me about digital payment is, how do you get money in and how do you get money out?
Right. So for you to load your wallet, we have merchant tellers, which are businesses, stores that are on board with us for the loading of the wallet. So you walk in, you give the merchant your money, and they put it onto your wallet. And the same thing if you wanna withdraw from it. You can go to the merchant and you can withdraw from your wallet right there. Of course, that comes with a price if you, with a fee if you withdraw. Loading is totally free, but withdrawal has a little fee on it of $2.
Okay.
All right.
And go ahead.
Yeah, I just went on the Play Store to look at your app, and I noticed that you launched in a month ago, December 6th,
Yes.
rightfully a month ago, and you already have over 500 downloads. So people really are using and taking advantage of this new app. So,
Right.
like
We have we have a lot of people who, first of all, they say it's really easy to use, so that's something that they are very happy about. It's not complex at all, very straightforward, to the point. We don't have any downtime and nothing that, is any major concern to us at all. Everybody is happy. Our merchants, for example, I can tell you that we walk them through the process. We hold their hands right through from the beginning all the way through. We provide them with training. We go and we ensure that the app is fully functioning. We give them their decals so that consumers can scan and make payment, right? So they are very happy with all the assistance that we provide, whether it's marketing assistance, whether it's technical assistance, we're there with them every step of the way. So they're very happy about that.
And this app only functions and works within Belize
For now.
for
yes.
now. Okay, so eventually you'll take it international. You'll be able to make payments abroad.
With the technology that is being used, the blockchain technology that we use, that National Bank used, other areas of the world are using the same technology. Hopefully one day we can connect easily with them. In fact, our partner with that the company out of Barbados who we partner with has actually digitized the Eastern Caribbean countries currency, and they have also done Nigeria as well. So, and they are working on other projects on other parts of the world using the same technology. So at some point, hopefully we can link easy with other parts of the country.
With other systems.
Of the world.
So let's talk about the merchants. This is an opportunity for people to offer another way for customers to be able to get their service. People always talk about these Facebook scams that take place. You're scared to send money to people. Talk about how this can be helpful for small businesses and micro businesses.
Well, one of the, like I said, about the technology, it is secure. Blockchain technology is one of the most secure technologies on the market right now.
Yes.
For small micro businesses and small businesses, and even for individuals who had not had that opportunity to get into the banking sector, no, they can. No, if they use this, apart from all the benefits of using an electronic wallet, no, they can also avail of national bank services, especially loans. Right now, micro businesses go to banks, and it is very difficult for them to get financing. Part of it is because they do not have any records or they conduct their business informally. So now with this, they create some type of issue which we at National Bank can use to assist them, be it an individual who wants to make a loan for a house or a personal loan, or be it a micro small business who wants a loan business to expand, purchase equipment, etc. So it does have its benefits, and it is, again, it's easy to use and secure. And of course, it is free to use for the merchants. There's no charge for the merchants. The users, for right now, we are having a promotional period and there's no charge. After the period, there will only be a 10 cents charge per transaction, no matter the size of the transaction. And if you sign up right now, we are even giving users $10 free.
Oh, okay. That's always an incentive to download. Go ahead.
Yeah, we give you funds to start off, and then you can go and load more so that you can spend more.
All
Since
right.
it's a new service to
Yeah.
Belize, people need to get used to this
Yeah.
service and get used to how to use it, because a lot of people we have noticed are afraid to use it because they don't know how to use it. But it's as simple as you use WhatsApp, Facebook,
Right.
and
Precisely.
then,
Yeah.
yeah, it's very easy to use.
I tell people it's like credit. It's like phone credit. If I could, everybody talk about sending credit at some point in time, except this one isn't for phone calls. This is to spend. You could get your hair cut. You could go to your coffee shop. How about the merchants pickup? Have they been buying into getting the app? Because the more merchants who use this app, the more people will want to be able to use it as a form of payment as well.
Yeah, the merchants, like I said before, they are very happy. First of all, they love the fees. I mean, it's completely free for them right now, so it's very affordable. They have nothing to lose basically, except to try it and see how it works for them and how it makes their life easier. They also like the support that we are providing. Like I said, we are there throughout the whole process. We hold their hands. We're there for technical support. We're there for marketing support. So whatever they need, we're here for them whenever they need us. Our marketing team is out there being on in the field myself with them. Merchants have told us, it's not that they don't want to try it, but first of all, like Mr. Friend said, it's hard for them to understand the entire process. Some of them are not tech savvy any at all.
Yeah.
So that's their fear. But once you show them how it works from beginning to end, right through the whole process, they feel so much better and they're like, okay, well, this wasn't so hard. So you know what? Let me go ahead. I'll do this.
Okay.
Right. And apart from just being able to either transfer to another user, purchase at a store, the merchants being able to pay their suppliers. We also have a payment gateway. People who are selling online and have their website where they are selling online, similar to Amazon. Now they can have a link where individuals can pay using their wallet. So now the website has a link maybe for a credit card and has the NBB Pay link.
Like
So-
how you would have with PayPal. You would click credit card or PayPal. You can click NBB Pay.
Right, and a number of merchants we are working with them right now to have this link on their website. It requires very little development and of course logistic testing because different merchants have different types of websites, etc. And we are working with them, and you will soon see different websites this option to pay with NBB Pay.
Now, I know one of the concerns. I saw one for your favorite tacos vendor as well. The concern I know many people tend to have is, if this money is going on my phone, what happens if I lose my phone?
Well, actually, if you lose your phone, you don't lose your funds. Your app, when you sign up, like we said, you use your social security number. Now, the phone has security features, either password or what have you, biometrics. The app has security features as well. You would need those sign in using your password or your biometric. Also, the app, once it is open and it's not in use, it signs out automatically. And if you do lose your phone, you just have to have another mobile, sign in, and you have access to your funds.
Okay, so the phone isn't the bank for you. The app is stored separately, and you'll be able, whether you lose it, give it away, or whatever drop it in coffee for all you know, you can be able to access those funds again.
Right, no need to run to the your telecom to get your phone number again.
Yeah.
You just download the app again and sign in.
Nice, nice. Okay.
Yeah, because you have other apps that require the use of the bank card, right? So you need to have your card number and a password and so forth. But with this, once you have your social and you have your biometrics, you're fine.
Okay.
Right, because you sign up with your social, that is a one-time sign up, and actually that is a security feature not only for National Bank. thought about how to prevent any money laundering, and we decided that we would sign up users using their social security card. Actually, the app communicates directly with social security. So once you have used your social security number and you have your account, you can only have one account. You cannot open multiple accounts, or other people cannot use your social security number with another name, etc. The social security information is validated. So that's another security feature on the app.
Wow. So 100% security, it seems, and easy
That
to
was a
use.
major priority for us to make sure that our Belizeans feel secure. I mean, we already are dealing with our people who are very traditional and love to see the cash in their hand and where it's going. So for us, security was one of the top priorities that we had in line when we were doing this.
Perfect.
All right. So how do I know which stores or which vendors are using NBB Pay?
Okay, so we, on our social media, we highlight our vendors and our merchants as every week. So every week you can go there, you can see the listing that comes out. And of course, on our website, we have updated merchant listing and agent merchant teller listings. So you can go there and you can see who all we have on board with us at this time. And those are the ones that are functioning and are accepting it, and you can go shop, you can purchase your services, you can go and just go wild shopping.
Okay.
And it is updated daily, because daily we're adding new merchants. There has been a few hundred merchants that have signed up. Now they are downloading the app, and after they have downloaded the app, we update the listing.
Okay. And you have merchants in all districts so far?
Yes, we do. We do. Our aim is to have in villages, because remember we said that
Yes.
we are trying to ensure that everybody has access to services, to products. So therefore, villages is one of our priorities, where they can just go, they can purchase their items, and they don't have to go to the nearest town, to the nearest city, just to be able to make their shopping anymore.
Okay. So if I download the app today and I get that $10 promo, where can I go spend it, Carissa?
Okay, so it depends where you are.
I'm in Belize City.
For example, we have ANS covers.
Okay.
Right, so if you need a phone case, you need a t-shirt, those kind of things, ANS is one. We also have, let's see.
I can go grab my breakfast?
Yeah.
What happens is the micro businesses as well. The micro businesses are using their individual users to collect. The tacos vendor does not have to enlist as a merchant per se. They can use a personal user to collect for the sales they are making. We do encourage what we call vendors are actually micro businesses to enlist as a vendor, so they have a merchant. But to start with, they can start with their individual app, their individual user, to get into the rhythm of using this electronic wallet. So a number of the vendors, the juice vendor, the tacos vendor, the fruit vendor might already be using it. We won't have them in that list because they are using the personal
They
wallet.
use their own numbers.
Yeah.
Okay.
I know they put you on the spot just
I
now,
know.
Carissa, but what about Belmopan?
What happens is that we have a lot of merchants and vendors, and I was trying to go through my listing, and I was like,
I know.
which district are we talking about?
Yeah.
Let's talk Belmopan
Yes.
then.
Tell me where in
April
Belmopan
wants
can
to
I
go
go?
spend her $10.
For merchants, we have Fancico. So Fancico store, we can go do our shopping there. We have Mike's Cube Club and Restaurant. That's of course you can get your wings, your jalapeno poppers there, your drinks, right? So those are two that we're working with so far. We have more that we have signed up. So you can get your ice cream as well. So we have those kind of, we're variating. So you can get your food, you can get snacks, you can get your store groceries.
So I can send money to April on the NBB Pay, and then she goes and buys the wings and then delivers it for me tomorrow.
Right.
Yes, for wings with tomorrow.
Right. And,
We're helping
a number-
people find practical ways,
Yes,
right?
and it is
Yeah.
very practical.
A number of individuals are using it because, example, I might be working in San Pedro and my mom is somewhere in a rural area in Stan Creek. I need to send her funds.
Yeah.
No need to send her to a bank transfer, which is very expensive. Actually, it's more than $3 to transfer from bank to bank. Plus, the person would need to go to a bank or an ATM to withdraw the funds. No, I can send it direct to my mom, and she uses it at the nearest grocery store vendor, or can withdraw some cash if she would like.
All right, great. So we found out the latest about NBB Pay, and of course, people can download it on their phone, sign up. They don't have to be a customer. They can be, and if you are a customer, you can get your code from the bank. You also have your after hours. I think that's such a great idea, really accommodating to the needs of customers, allowing for loan interviews after typical banking hours. So, you know, you don't have to rush that interview before 3 o'clock. You can still do it right up to 7 p.m. So anything else new that we can look out for from National Bank?
Well, this coming year we have planned as well to open additional offices. So just keep in touch with us through our Facebook, Instagram, or social media pages. We'll tell you where they will be located. We will also be launching additional features to our electronic wallet. The features we have launched are the basic features that the wallet would entail. However, now we will be adding items that will differentiate from other wallets.
So
All right.
you
Well,
heard it
look
here?
forward to it.
Yep. You heard it here first.
Thank you so much, Francisco and Carissa. We appreciate you joining us this morning and telling us all about what you've been up to.
Thank you for having us.
All right. Stay safe and all the best.
Yes.
And with that, we're going to go ahead and take a break. And when we come back, you know, one of the things I know people have been avoiding, especially if they are high risk, is going into clinics and hospitals. So we are going to find out about the work of Belize Home Caregivers Association, how you can access medical care and assistance at home with their trained technicians. That's coming up in a few, so stay tuned.